So welcome to the new video guys. Today we are understanding the new question number 7, which is reverse integer. So let's see the problem statement of this. Given a signed 32-bit integer x, return x with its digit reverse. So we have given a x integer, which is a 32-bit integer, and we have to just do what we have to do is we have to reverse the integer and return to the user. First value go outside the digit sign 32-bit integer, which is range of 2 raised to minus 31 to 2 raised to 31 minus 1, then return 0 also. So overall problem statement will be understood, I guess. So assume the environment doesn't allow you to store 64-bit integer. So what is the difference between 64-bit integer and this 32-bit integers? Because of this range. So every range which is specified in C++ for integer is the last value of integer is minus 2 raised to 31. Okay. And which is we call in mean, which is called we call in C++ as in mean, and 2 raised to 31 positive 2 raised to 31 as oops, int max. So we have to make sure that both the number is not overflowed or reverse number not overflowed through this int mean also and max also. And what we have to do is if they are overflowed, then we have to just return 0 over 0 to the user. Okay, guys. So let's start with logic. So for logic, let me open the whiteboard. What kind of logic we are going to use now? If we have an integer x, let's say random 1, 2, 3, 1 to 4, and after this 1 to 4, we want an integer reverse which is equals to 4 to 1, and we have to give this output to user. So what we are going to do is we are taking each integer like this 4 first and put it on the reverse. Then we take 2, then it goes to here, then 1, then here. We are adding each of the integer by doing this thing. So what we are going to do is we are going to put 4 over reverse in reverse and make 4 into 42, then 42 to 41, 4 to 1. So how do we just do this logic in a code function? So for this we are going to use sorry wait online. So for this, what we are going to use? We are going to use while loop and a logic of for this. So what sort of logic will be used? So our logic will be we are going to divide x with the 10 and whatever remainder will become is the last digit of the x. Let us say from remainder from 1 to 4 will be 4. So this 4 becomes a remainder, and now this 4 will be added to reverse and x will become 12. Now the lastest digit of x is 2 and again it will add to reverse, and this flow will be continuous till the loop ends. So now let us see how it works in the code. So here we came in our lead code and we are going to just add a variable reverse over here. So we name a variable reverse rev as its initial value is 0. Now, what we are going to do is we are running a while loop if x is not equals to 0. Make sure that x is not equals to the 0, and if it's not equals to 0, what we have to do is we have to make a digit integer which is equals to the percentage 10, because we want last digit of x. So the last digit, instead of digit, you can use last digit. So you get better understanding for this. Last digit of x percentage 10 means x, last digit of x will be the remainder of x but while dividing by 10. So, and what we have to do is we have to convert x into x by 10. So whenever digit is removed, the x will convert into the number which after the digit is removed, and whatever number is remained becomes x. So if we have x as, let us say that we have x equals to 1 to 4. So if we have 1 to 4 over here, so here x will become 1 and 2 only. And after loop means another time loops will run. So after all, will x will become 1. And over here, our digit is 4. Then again, our digit will be, another digit will be 2, and another digit will be 1. And overall, this digit will be added to the reverse. But how? Let us see. We see that reverse means rev is, how do we just adding this digits to the rev? So what we have to do is we have to just multiply rev with 10 and adding the last digit every time. So each time the digit will be added, first of all, rev will become 4. Another time the loop will runs, and 4, the another time rev will be 4 into 10 plus 2. Then if another time loop will runs, this third loop will runs, and in third loop the overall digit will be 42 into 10 plus 1. So our original value will be 4 to 1, and this is how the user will get the output of rev, which is 4 to 1. So we have to return rev over here, which is 4 to 1. And but as you can see over here, another value, another problem statement is given is this big sign 32-bit integer range. It should be between this 2 raised to minus 2 raised to 31 and 2 raised to 31 minus 1. So what we have to do is we have to check now the range of rev before we are implementing the rev. So we make sure that if rev is greater than int max divided by 10. Okay. So what is int max? In C++, we write 2 raised to 31 as int max, and after this rev is less than int mean divided by 10. Then what we have to return is 0. So why do we just write divide by 10 over here and divide by mean over here? So if rev is just greater than int of max, then overflow has been done already, and int mean also, then also overflow is done already. No such number is just overflowed automatically. So we check the number of rev, which is divide by 10 int max and divide by 10 with int min. So last digit of int max and int min will be removed. Or as you can see that over here, here it is also given that minus 1 over here, 2 is to 31 minus 1, minus 2 is to 31 also over here. So overall, we just have to return 0 in through int max also and int min also. All right. So how? So now we will run this test case. As you can see, our test case has been run in three of the cases. So now we submit the overall question. After submitting, we get our 100% rate over here. Now let us understand what do we do now. After let us do a simple dry run for this. So if x equals to 1, 2, 3, then rev equals to 0 into 10 plus 3. In first loop, because last digit equals to x percentage 10. After this becomes 3 and x divided by 10 equals to 12. So last digit is equals to 12 percentage 10, which is equals to 2, and x divided by 10, which is equals to 12 divided by 10, which comes 1. Then again last digit equals to 1, and x equals to now. The after this x will not run. So our overall rev equals to rev rev means in the first loop 0 into 3, sorry, 10 into 0 plus 3. In second loop 10 into 3 plus 2. In third loop rev equals to 10 into 32 plus 1. So our overall rev equals to 3 to 1. So as you can see over here, the overall number is reverse. Now let us talk about the time complexity over here. So what is time complexity in this question? T and C. As you can see, we are just picking out each number, each last number from the X. So the time complexity will be O of log n. And if we talk about the space complexity over here, it will be, I guess, O of 1 because no any other variable is used. Each variable is fixed in its size. So I hope overall question will be over and you understand the question very well. If you have any doubt, just comment down your doubt, and please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.